Number system. 5-digit numbers. We know that 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. It can be represented using blocks like this. The same number can be shown in abacus like this. Look at the abacus. If we add 1 to this number, we get 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Place value and face value of 5-digit numbers. We know that the place value of a digit in a number is determined by its position in the place value chart. The place value chart is divided into groups of places called periods. We separate these periods by using commas. Look at the number placed in the place value chart. We put the comma here to read the number as 23,784. Let us place this number in the place value chart. Place value of 9 is 9, place value of 7 is 70, place value of 5 is 500, place value of 2 is 2000, place value of 3 is 30,000. We know that the face value is the actual value of a digit in a number. The position of a digit in a number does not affect its face value. These are the face values of all the digits of the number. 6-digit numbers. We know that the largest 5-digit number is this. If we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 6-digit number, which is read as 1 lakh. Look at the number 1 lakh represented in abacus. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. In case of 6-digit numbers, we divide the place value chart into 3 periods, that is, the ones period, the thousands period, and the lakhs period. We use commas to separate these periods. For example, look at this number. The commas are placed in this way. In this number, the place value of 1 is 1, 2 is 20, 0 hundreds is 0, place value of 6 is 6,000, 7 is 70,000 and 8 is 8 lakhs. Expanded and standard forms. We know that the expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits in order. For example, look at this 5-digit number. The expanded form of this number is written like this. This is the standard form of this number. Look at this 6-digit number. The expanded form of this number is written like this. This is the standard form of this number. Comparing and arranging large numbers. While comparing to numbers, the number with the most digits is greater than the other number. For example, in an election, candidate A got these many votes and candidate B got these many votes. Which candidate got more votes? Here, this number has 6 digits and this number has 5 digits. Thus, this number is more than this number. Hence, candidate B got more votes. Let us learn to arrange large numbers in ascending and descending order. For example, the number of cars manufactured by a company in 4 different years are as follows: 67,072, 56,734, 1,14,237, and 81,985. The number with the least number of digits is the smallest one. Then we compare the numbers by comparing the place values of numbers from the highest place to the lower place. Similarly, we can arrange these numbers in descending order. Let us understand forming the smallest and the largest numbers without repetition of digits. For forming the greatest number, we arrange the digits in descending order. For forming the smallest number using the given digits without repetition, we arrange the digits in ascending order. For example, let us form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number using the digits 6, 3, 0, 1, 5 and 7. Greatest 6-digit number will be this. The ascending order of the given digits is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7. If we begin with 0, we get a 5-digit number. So, we place 0 at the second place after 1, that is 1, 0, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Hence, the smallest number formed using the given digits is this. Rounding off numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. You must have heard about situations like, there are about 565 students in a school, there were approximately 5,000 viewers in the stadium. The price of this bag is rupees 100 approximately. The total numbers of people are estimated to be 200. Guess the number of marbles in a ball. Thus, there are many situations where it is sufficient to tell the estimated figure instead of telling the exact one. So, we must know how to estimate or round off a number. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Look at this number. If the digit at one's place is less than 5, then we replace it by 0 and the other digits remain the same. For example, 423 is rounded off to 420 and 3484 is rounded off to 3480. If the digit at one's place is 5 or more, then we replace it by 0 and add 1 to the tens place digit. For example, 436 is rounded off to 440 and 7468 is rounded off to 7470. Rounding off to the nearest 100. For example, when 638 is rounded off to the nearest 100, it gives 600. Similarly, when 8249 is rounded off to the nearest 100, it gives 8200. We observe the tens place digit of the given number to round it off to the nearest 100. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then we replace the tens and ones place digits by 0 and the other digits remain the same. Let us round off these numbers to the nearest 100. When 857 is rounded off to the nearest 100, it gives 900. Similarly, when 8750 is rounded off to the nearest 100, it gives 8800. If the digit at tens place is 5 or more, then we replace the tens and ones place digits by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place digit. Rounding off to the nearest 1000. For example, when we round off this number to the nearest 1000, it gives 5000. If the digit at 100 place is less than 5, then we replace the hundreds, tens and ones place digits by 0 and the other digits remain the same. For example, when we round off 8678 to the nearest 1000, it gives 9000. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more, then we replace the hundreds, tens and ones place digits by 0 and add 1 to the thousands place digit.